In this session, we'll see about for loop. Here we have for loop in different programming languages. Different programming languages such as, here, if we observe carefully, here this for loop is about C programming language, and here this for loop is totally based on Java, and this for loop is based on C++, and this for loop is based on Python programming language. Now let me show you clearly here. So hold on for a moment so that I can hit the arrow mark, show you clearly here. Yes. So here we have the first for loop. So it's from C programming language against the C language syntax. Next we have the same stuff from Java programming language. Java language syntax. Next we have same from. Next we have the same from C++ language. C++ language syntax. And after that we have our this for loop in Python programming language syntax. Python language. Yes. Now the main aim of these for loops, of these instructions, is to print a number from 0, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Because here we have int a is equal to 0. It means a is getting stored in 0 is getting stored in a, and here we will be checking the condition. Here we will be checking the condition 0 less than 5. Yes, 0 is less than 5. Now it will print 0 here. Now here it will print 0. After that, a will become a is equal to a plus 1. Here a plus plus, it means that. So let me make that clear for everyone. Actually here a equal to a plus 1. It clearly it means that so it means that a is equal to a plus 1. Is that clear? So a plus plus means that a is equal to a plus 1. Now the flow goes something like this. Initially you will be having a equal to 0. So 0 less than 5. Now after this 0 less than 5, we need to come for print statement. 0 will be getting printed. After that, a will be incremented here. It means a will become a plus 1. That is a equal to 0 plus 1. 1 will become. Now here 1 less than 5. It will check the condition here. It will check the condition here. 1 less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5. As condition is true, 1 less than 5, then it will print 1 here. Now again, it will go something like this. It will check the condition here. It will increment. This is known as incrementation because we are using here plus operator. That's why this is will known as incrementation. 1 will be incremented to 2. As 1 will be incremented to 2, 2 less than 5 will come. Now 2 less than 5, it will check as the condition is true, as this particular condition is true, it will print 2. Again 2 will be incremented to 3. So 3 less than 5. Yes, 3 is less than 5. That's why 3 will be printed. 3 will be incremented to 4. It will check whether 4 less than 5. Yes. Now 4 will be printed. 4 will be incremented to 5 now. Now it will check whether 5 is less than 5. So obviously 5 is not less than 5. That's why it will come out of the loop. It means the program will terminate. It means the program will end. So basically the for loop goes, the flow of the for loop goes something like this in any programming language. So it will be like for initialization, semicolon we need to keep. So that's the syntax. And here we'll be checking the condition. And after that you have increment or decrement. So it is known as for loop because, as the name itself suggests, it indicates something kind of cycles. So here you will be writing, that's why, body of the loop. I hope that's clear to everyone. So here, what is the body of the loop? In our case, we have our body of the loop. So here, this is the body of the loop in C language, and this is the body of the loop in Java language. This is the body of the loop in C++ language, and this is the body of the loop in Python programming language. Now the same stuff I'll show you how to execute this particular statement. Now, let me share you my screen. So now what I'll do is, I'll go to the platform which is known as CodeChef. So observe here carefully. Now, after opening my browser, what I'll do is, in the URL, we need to type CodeChef. codechef.com/IDE. So it will appear something like this. Hit enter. Now practically I'm going to show you how the flow goes. So actually we need to write our code from here in C programming language. So now what I have written is in C language, it's for int I equal to 0. For int a equal to 0, I have written for you. And we have a less than 5. And we have a plus plus. And here I have written printf %d a. Now what I'll do is, so this is the code in C programming language. This is the code in C programming language. Now what I'll do is, if you come here, so here you can see a button known as run. Hit run. So here it will show you like submission queued. Now it will show you the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope that's clear for everyone. So this will be my output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the same case, let's do it in Java programming language. So I'll take in class launcher, public static, void main, string args. So here I have in for loop int a equal to 0. Even here also I'll bring you the same output a plus plus, and I'll be having no system dot out dot println, or else I can write print also a. Now so after hitting the enter button, you can observe here carefully. Yes. So after hitting the enter button, you'll be getting the same output. So this is the full length code for Java programming language. But this is our main logic. This is our main logic, the for loop. Now let me do the same in C++ programming language. For int a equal to 0, I have a less than 5, and I have a plus plus. Now what I'll do is see out a end line. So now after hitting the run button, I'll be seeing here to check the output. Yeah. So here you can observe you have got the same output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is known as programming. Now let's do the same stuff in Python programming language. For Python, you need to select Python 3.6. So it's showing cook your dish here. Wow. It means you are a chef now. Hence the platform name is Code Chef. In Python, you have simple for I in range of 0, 5. Here space we need to give print a. Now, provided that you have written this particular instruction, now what you need to do is hit run here and check your output. Hip hip hooray. So you got your output the same way 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So thank you guys. If you have any queries, please do let me know. You can even take the screenshot also of this.